In this video, we are showing how to enable lens mode in Windows. We are showing this in a desktop that is running on Windows 10 OS. This is applicable both for desktop and laptops. Okay, you can see how to enable lens mode. So you must remember some key shortcut, that is pressing the Control key plus Alt key plus L key simultaneously if you are in magnifier. Okay, I will show you how it comes. In our keyboard, we must simply press the Control key and the plus key simultaneously, and you can see that the magnifier option have been arrived. Suppose you cannot see the magnifier option, you can see the bottom of your bottom of your desktop search area. You must type MAGNIFER. So the desktop app that is available in almost all Windows 10 OS systems, you can see this app enabled. So you must simply open this, and like the way you can turn on this magnifier, and after seeing the, you can see now it is magnifier is on. Okay, and from here you must click the settings. You can see the options here. You can see this one, this is the options. You must simply press this one. Now it will take you to the page of magnifier. So this is the settings page of magnifier. You must notice this use magnifier, turn on the magnifier. Suppose it is off, you must turn on. And after that, there you can see at the box, you must simply scroll this down, and here you can see the option of change magnifier view and choose a view. And from here you can see the options, that is the full screen. That is what you can see. This is currently now our desktop is in a full screen view, and you want to change it to the lens mode. So you must select this change magnifier view, and from here choose a view. You must select lens view, that is Control plus Alt plus L key simultaneously, or you must simply select this lens mode. So now the lens mode have been enabled. Suppose so this is the 100 percentage, and I am going to increase the percentage. That is, this is the way you can increase, that is zoom into 200 percentage, and I will show you in a website. Okay, now I am in a website. The website address is engineerswellonline.com, a website owned by this YouTube channel itself, and here you can see here in the web page, whatever we want we can zoom in like this. For example, this is the seminar topics like this. You can, whatever the form you want, you can zoom in. This is the lens mode. Some text we have selected should be becoming big, or it will be readable now. So if you change the percentage from here, that is, you can see 200 percentage, and simply clicking it to 300 percentage or 400 percentage, you can see that everything is becoming big at the selected area of the website. So this is the way, this is the lens or the lens mode. So this is the way we can enable the lens mode in websites or anything you can see in a Windows 10 computer. So this is the method to enable the lens mode. So after enabling the lens mode, you can change this magnifier percentage from 400 to 500, 600, 700 like that, and you can see that the entire site content will become big to a big lens mode. So suppose the fonts are very difficult to read, this lens mode, enabling the lens mode will help you a lot. And if you wish to turn off this lens mode, you must simply go to the magnifier setting and select from here full screen option. Hope you understood how to enable lens mode in Windows computer. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online. Thank you.